Hapon sa lahat mga tayo na mga tagalusod ng Puerto Princesa, boses sa Quezon, mga kabarangay, bakbakana! First quarter is now underway. First two-pointer for Team Barangay Bangko Bangkao, courtesy of Biongan. And from jersey number 14 of Barangay Milagrosa, Biongan, the big man, puts it up for two-pointer, but not that time. A power put back by his teammate number 21, Ward. Last in the final free throw. Let's take a look at the basket. Wala kay Villa Hermosa. Good for one, Villa Hermosa. Villa Hermosa, sugo po natin, 5 laban sa 1, 4 puntos. Villa Hermosa, knocks it in for 2 points. Okay, pasensya na kayo, video naglalag po tayo. 5-3 for 2 puntos, katulad ng paglag. Dito nasa team ng Barangay Milagrosa, pero hindi na lagi mga player ng Milagrosa. Good for jersey number 14 ng Barangay Milagrosa. Alvar, kakaldagin din yung depensa. Good for 2 points by Alvar. And that power sa mga dumayong kalapit barangay natin mga taga-Barangay Milagrosa. As we go on, ladies and gentlemen, this is only the opening quarter. Outside jumper. Black shirts basketball. Hindi na coming for another goal, but at that time, may isang recover at Puma. Nagata basketball count for 2 points. Minuto na lamang po natin ang oras para sa ating unang yuto. Colorio Estonian, recovered at ball. Kuha ng Lagrana, binigay ang bola kay Zabala. Nag-iisa. Zabala, walang abala. Good for 2 points, Zabala. Last na parang free throw by Villa Hermosa. Wearing jersey number 31 is taken look by basket. Yes sir, good for 1 point. 23 out of balance. And Villa Hermosa going for bucket. Yes sir. Yes sir, can smooth play. Ating talaan. 10 seconds to go. 8 remaining time para sa ating unang yuto. And Zabala from Zalzal 3 points. 2 seconds to go. Tulog na Tulorio sa ating second period basketball action. Batang fixing to the cup. Good for 2 points. Sabi nitong numero 20, maganda yung sitwasyon at magandang palitan. Pero sa kabila ng palitan, namamayagpag pa rin yung may sariling bahay ng 5 puntos. Dadagdagan pa yan. Nabitawan pero recover ng kanyang kasamang numero 11. Zumaraga, kick out, Villa Hermosa, pumurma at babato ng tatluhan. Villa Hermosa, bang, 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 3 points! Low check, up shooting. At the line, 2 free throws coming up for Lloril, wearing jersey number 13. Lloril, the first free throw, good for 1. Expect a look kung babasket at makukumpleto. Yung 2 free throws na gagawin para sa panibagong puntos at karagdagan. Lloril, basketball sa kabilang banda. Villa Hermosa, papalo naman ang tatluhan. Hindi rin babasket, mga kaibigan. Piyat ng Villa Hermosa, nakpot at tira. Yes sir, good for 2. Na maglalaro para sa ating second game, yun nga lang, sila po ay open division. Coming up next, Milagrosa at laban sa team ng Bangko for open category. Shot clock is running down at 8, 5 minutes and 19. Coming inside, world jersey number 9, basketball count. For the end one play, Orfiano, titignan po natin kung makukumpleto ang kanyang end one play. Orfiano, yes sir, for 3 points. And third, team foul. Apat na biya mga kaibigan, score po natin 16 against 34, good for 2 points. And another putback, wala pa rin yung 3 reload na ginagawa. Hindi na recover at more and puts up, basketball count. Napaganda pa sa isang pull-up J, 16 in favor by 12 points, Barangay Bangko. Villa Hermosa, case brother, Villa Hermosa, get that 2 points again. Medyo nawawala-wala para sa team ng mga taga-Barangay Bangko. Orfiano, umahanap ng kanyang mga kakampi. Lorin, fades away! Tirabang pang isaw-isaw. 2 puntos na naman yung nasaw-saw. Para number 19. At number 18, Dennis Ward. Villa Hermosa number 11 coming. Bang! Good for 2 points. Isang further. Shot clock down to 4. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Zumaraga, humabol pa. Basketball count for 2 points. Upulan tayo kuya, upulan tayo muna kuya. Pilya din papa dito sa ating Barangay Bangko. 47 seconds to go as we continue for the second quarter. Villa Hermosa inside Kobe. Galing na pagkakatabi. Good for 2 points. Wala kay Jen. Hindi nyo nakawala-wala pa minsan-minsan. Ba't sa bala, hindi na natin ito magpapakawala ng tagtuhan. Zabala! Bang! 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 3 points! And it first beat water. 7 minutes and 30 seconds to go for the third quarter. Agata, aangatin ang tatluhan. Agata, bang, 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 3 points. In the 12 seconds on the shot clock, Orpiano hindi makikisama yung kanyang atake, pero makikisama naman para kay Gilde Hermosa, 14 ng Barangay Milagrosa. Princesa Sir Alan Almariego leading sir, 5 seconds on the shot clock, 3 seconds to shoot. Zabala, bang! Good for 2 points. Itong Zabala hindi ganun kalakihan. Ito tinatawag na player dito ang nasa tropa na mga taga-Barangay Milagrosa, checking in once again for the third frame. Itong batang Villa Hermosa to Villa Hermosa, ang pekined jumper, pinaripad na yung depensa pero hindi kumoneta. Ang Limon Battle taken by Warren jersey number 22, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Villa Hermosa, 3 points! Iagad po nagpakilala ang 5 minutes and 6 runner for the third frame. 32 against 37, baba ng 5 puntos na nga lang. 5 puntos ang kalangangan, but literal.
Gusto kaya? Saan yan? Doon sa
5 minutes and 5 seconds to go, 39 against Milagrosa. 5 minutes for the third. May tangan ng bola ng Trina, isa sa mga kilabot ng bangkaw-bangkaw. Basketball count for 2 points. Batang Papa at nakakaapat na puntos ng mga kaapat na magkakasala na. Jumper from the third corner, good for 2 points. 3 minutes and 49 seconds to go as we go on for the third quarter. At jumper for 2 pointers, yes sir, get the 2 points. Dahil medyo mahina nga yung data connection, pasensya po, pero hindi magbibigay ng pasensya itong Intrina dahil naubos yung kanyang sa kanyang panibagong presensya sa kanyang pungga at talaan. 45 pumuputok ang bangkaw-bangkaw, 34 Barangay Milagrosa, niyoyo pa, Intrina umiinit ng umiinit. Titignan po natin kung babasket mga kaibigan. First free throw doesn't work, but the last one, basketball count by Zabala. Ating open division, and after that 40 24 25 under, and Pina bang 3 points for the third period. Scope natin 51 against 35, 16 points. The first free throw, good for 1 by Intrina, number 23. Mga taga-Barangay Bangkaw-Bangkaw yung kanyang sariling tahanan sa pag-abante laban sa mga dumayong taga Milagrosa. But Isilaya, good for 2 points again. Tumatay yung sentrong Aganta, muli yung 2 puntos ang naituleta. Ang minute in 17, Intrina working from the middle side. Benga by Intrina. Division, laban sa team na mga taga-Barangay Bangkaw-Bangkaw. Last na parang free throw by Intrina, number 23, Naxiri. Good for Hens. Abin na overcook yung pagkakadali by Intrina. Agata, wide open. Tiradang sigurado. 2 puntos sa Milagrosa. 13 seconds to go. Shot clock is already off for the third quarter. Intrina inside. Agata puts it in. And good for 2 points. Milagrosa. Mag-iisang minuto pa lamang nakukonsumo sa ating 40 na final quarter. Susunod, bakbakan na Barangay Milagrosa laban sa Bangkaw-Bangkaw para sa ating open division. At muli, 59 against 41 in favor by 18 points. A jumper from Dalo, yes sir! Get the 2 points at may ara pang foul. Lagat po sa team na mga taga-Barangay Milagrosa. May tahan na bola working from the strong corner, from the weak going to the strong corner. Basketball count, pressure, kada po ng bola pero makukuha na. And number 33, Intrina, isang di kalibring tira, good for third. Basketball! Offensa, the home team! Zabala, bang, 3 points! It is the third, Zabala once again on the front court, bang, by Zabala! Back-to-back itong puntos nitong batang Zabala. At yun, sa bandang kanan, naabala naman yung atake for Barangay Milagrosa. Zabala, fake and jumper, no hassle, good for 2 points! Walang magyaw, walang kahigpit sa batang nagmamalupit. Intrina going for Zabala again, the man of the moment. 43 against 72 in favor team Barangay Bangkaw-Bangkaw pa rin sa ating talaan. At inside J, mababawasan pinapano free throw, 3 minutes and 17. Last na pano free throw by Villa Hermosa. Last na pano free throw, basketball count, substitution. 3 minutes and 14 seconds na natitira sa ating 40 na final quarter. Outside, matanda, binigyan bola sa tanang kanan, Sisi makinig depensa, Tayog Marino, pero pumigo. 8 minutes remaining time for this last and final quarter. Alvar for the second time, matatawagan ng traveling balance. 46 is Calon driver seat, your home team, Barangay Bangkaw-Bangkaw. The shifting direction from the weak go to the strong corner. Laban sa team ng Barangay Milagrosa, 2 minutes and 18 seconds serving, basketball count by Papa. Last 2 minutes and 10 for this last quarter. Villa Hermosa, basketball count for 2 points. Plus, by all the Barangay Council from Barangay Milagrosa. Midway shot, Lugat by Bakinan, a minute and 17 seconds to go. Shots good, number 25. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Getting in, what a nice move, Pili Hermosa, knocks in for 2 points. 15 seconds to go. It's a combination, Alvar, 2 points bucket. For this ball game, 5 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Good basketball count for 2 points.